Guwahati-based singer Esha Das was released by noted city singer Graceful Robme in Shillong on Saturday. The music video was shot in Meghalaya and it has been composed, written and sung by the singer herself. This music video also is a testament to the singer's love for the beauty of Meghalaya and the entire northeast region of India. Esha is a high school student from South Point School in Guwahati. She began composing and singing at the age of 9 and has since then dedicated herself to her craft. As a proud native of northeast India, she is committed to promoting northeast tourism, which includes Meghalaya, and showcasing the rich socio-cultural heritage of the region by her music video.
Is released.
And this song is about overcoming your obstacles, not caring about what other people say about what you do, and being focused on your life no matter what, and achieving your goals no matter what other people say or any obstacle which is there to stop you or do anything. You need to overcome them and achieve your goals.